Hi guys, this is 2011 Nissan Navara d40. So this car had the problem is the head gasket is blown. We're going to off the head gasket, then have a look. So you can see in here the pressure bottle. It's very the gas inside, and the radiator. Too much pressure inside. This one is nothing. So then we are going to off the head gasket, then have a look what's the problem. So we off the turbo side. This turbo. It's good. So we drain the coolant. So we off the radiator side. So you have to off the fan, and then after you have to off this for the GR cooler, then the timing cover gasket front. So we're going to off the cooler. This is EGR. We're going to off the glow plugs. So we're going to off the studs. We're going to open the timing cover. Here's the 4 injectors, and we have to off all the 4 injectors. We're going to off the injectors. That's a number 1 injector. Okay, we mark the injector. So nice, number 4. Now then we have to off the head bolts and the timing chain. So loose the cam bolts. Set 24. So see the timing mark, 1 dot here and other dot in here. You have to line this dot to this dot and that dot and to this dot, and the bottom is for this one. So you need to off this the cover bolt 10 mil. Going to off the head bolt for the 10 mil Allen key. It's a 10mm Allen key. So we're going to take out the head. You can move it now. Okay guys, here's a problem. You can see the gasket in this corner. It's damaged. So I can see this corner is a compression leak. That's why getting the radiator is water getting too much pressure. So this area was the problem.